On the first track, you will have P42 running in mid, isolate. And on the side, you will have on side, isolate. Now, you are not going to get a mono signal on the mid and mono signal on the side. The plugin taking care of the routing where you will be getting the mid mode is going to give you mid on your left, mid on your right. The side is going to give you plus side on the left, minus side on the right. Let's listen to it.
Ve Karagül yaşadı.
Let's see how it looks.
Unuttuğumda gök saldı yaprakların dökü.
Side plus minus S. So all you have to do is blend them together. I can lower the mid. Increase the side. Kill this. So in conclusion, this parallel processing in isolation works without needing any MS utility to do any encoding and decoding. You have now three options. We have the in series. We have dual mono plugin if your DAW allows it or implements it. And the third is the duplicate tracks, and each one running in isolation mid and the other one side.